Welcome to my first ever Vlogmas post. I have never done Vlogmas ever in life. If you are new here, I'm Orlando Nail Tech, also known as the Techie Nail Tech over on that other social media site. So this is my first post. I'm just recording some content for all my other pages, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna document everything I did Christmassy for the season, and I'm gonna Vlogmas for the very first time. So what I'm doing here is I got these ornaments at Michael's for literally like $1 a piece. They were left over from the Halloween season, so they were like 90% off. And I'm like, I'm a nail tech. Of course, I got glitter laying around. All I gotta do is Mod Podge these puppies and glitter them up, and I can use them for my Christmas decor. So I got two of them. I didn't get that many just because I don't want to overwhelm myself. If you know, you know. And I'm kind of recording this not just for this YouTube video, but also for my other channels because I'm really getting into repurposing my content. I'm actually starting something where I'm going to help creators figure out how they can do the same thing and make money and get from behind the chair. So, I'm just doing all the things, cleaning up, studying, learning. I spent half the day waiting on this flocking powder to come. That's going to be another video.